fast as that kid. Look at this, Justin. CSX. Come on, they're gonna beat you. Hi. This is so cool. This is awesome. Whoa. Hi, Mr. Friendly Engineer. Whoa, that was so cool. See, the kid ran up ahead of me. I can't run as fast as him. Yay. Hey, he's giving everybody a beep. There's a guy with a drone there. Wow, this is Mr. CSX Engineer. You're the friendliest. You're the only one that waves at us and beeps to rail fanners. Have a great day. Woo-wee, that was fun. And there's the drone getting it all. Oh, I gotta find out what that guy's website is.